guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I will be doing a natural look for you guys. This is something I will wear if I'm going to the movies or probably going to the groceries, want to look a little cute. This is something I will wear. So I'll be moisturizing my lips with some coconut lip gloss, and I will be putting on some rose water on my face. Guys, I've been loving doing that. It refresh my face, revitalize my skin. It have me looking very awake. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. So for moisturizer, I'll be using some vitamin E moisturizer to moisturize my face. And guys, this combination is great. It really make my foundation go on flawless and have my face looking really nice and smooth. So for primer, I'll be using the NYX Shine Killer, and I'll be putting that in all the place I am oily. So for foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340. And I'll just be using a foundation brush to place that on my face. And then I'm going in with the Sasha blending ball and I'm blending that foundation out. So how you guys been? I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody is happy. Things are going great in your life, guys. So as I said, this foundation is buildable. You do have to, if you want your face to look full coverage, you do have to put a second coat. So the next product I am going into is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm highlighting under my eyes, my nose bridge, and my forehead. Then I'm going back with that sponge and blend that concealer out. And guys, I am using tapping motion, I'm not swiping. I just feel that when you tap in, you get a more flawless application. So then I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette, and I'm using that contour shade to contour my face. I'm using it as my eyeshadow. So I'm going into the L'Oreal Inflammable Concealer, and I'm just highlighting just a little more with a lighter shade under my eyes. So to set my face, I'll go into the Maybelline Finishing Powder in the shade 35, and I'm just setting my face. And then I'm going into the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'll be setting under my eyes with that. And then I'm going into the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm doing a wing. So guys, this give me I do struggle to do my liner on camera, so forgive me guys. And then I believe I went into the Revlon mascara. I can't remember the name, but I'll remember to put it down below for you guys. And then I'll be using some eyelashes. This is It Barbie from my collection. I'll be putting that lashes on my eyes. And then I'm going back into that contour shade, and I'm putting it in my waterline. So for highlighter, I'm going into the LA Girl Moonlight Magic palette, and I'm using that to highlight my face. So then I'm going into the Maybelline Fix It spray, and I'm drenching my face with that. So then I'm going into this LA Girl lip gloss, and guys, this lip gloss is the bomb. I will leave a link down below. It smells like candy. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.